Every cat deserves to feel secure and loved. Creating a calm and safe environment helps your cat build trust and feel truly at home. Here are some ways to make your cat feel safe. Create a quiet space for your cat, where they can retreat whenever they feel scared or overwhelmed. Choose a calm spot away from noise and heavy foot traffic, and make it cozy with a soft bed, blanket, or their favorite toys. Having a safe and peaceful area helps your cat relax, feel secure, and know they have a special place to call their own. Cats feel most secure when they have places to hide and observe their surroundings without feeling exposed. Providing hiding spots such as cardboard boxes, covered beds, or cat trees with enclosed areas can help reduce your cat's stress and give them a sense of control. They help your cat feel safe, happy, and comfortable at home. The high platforms let your cat climb and watch everything from above, making them feel more secure. The scratching posts let them stretch and keep their claws healthy, while protecting your furniture. Overall, they are an easy way to give your cat a safe and relaxing space they will love. Keeping your cat's routine consistent is an important part of helping them feel safe and secure. Cats thrive on predictability, and knowing when to expect meals, playtime, and attention helps reduce anxiety and build trust. When daily activities happen at regular times, your cat learns what to expect, which makes their environment feel more stable and reassuring. Whether it's feeding, grooming, or cuddle time, maintaining a steady routine creates a sense of comfort and strengthens your bond with your cat. Approaching your cat gently is key to earning their trust and making them feel safe around you. Always let your cat come to you at their own pace instead of forcing interaction. Sudden movements, loud noises, or grabbing them unexpectedly can make them feel threatened and cause them to pull away. Speak softly, move slowly, and offer your hand for them to sniff before attempting to pet them. Over time, this gentle and respectful approach will help your cat feel more comfortable and confident in your presence. Using calming signals is a wonderful way to communicate trust and reassurance to your cat. Speaking softly helps create a peaceful environment, while slow blinking mimics a cat's own gesture of relaxation and safety. When you blink slowly at your cat, it tells them you mean no harm and helps strengthen your bond. Pheromone diffusers are an easy way to help your cat feel calm and safe. Diffusers give off scents that copy the natural ones cats make when they are relaxed. These scents can lower stress, stop nervous behaviors, and help your cat feel more comfortable at home. They are especially helpful during changes like moving or bringing home a new pet. With patience, love, and care, your cat will learn to trust you and feel truly safe in your home.